Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We just got done running one of our 408 Windsor packages on the dyno. This happens to feature a Phytech EFI system, throttle body system. Real awesome, easy to hook up. Real nice power. I mean, you can trim this thing out much better than you can with a carburetor. We've been building a lot of these engines lately. They're very, very popular. This engine features a late model block that we fully refurbish, and it features L block cylinder heads, and a manifold, MSD built distributor, your choice of plug wires as far as colors go. We feature tailored plug wires on all our engines. Eagle rotating assembly. You can also have this thing built as a forged rotating deal for an upcharge on money. If you're looking to build more power, or you're going to race this thing. Many choices of oil pans. This happens to have a front sump pan on it, but if you have a Bronco or a truck, we can do that rear sump pan for you, whatever you want. This customer wanted to go for a large pulley system, which is of course an option and an upcharge. You can also get them alternator only if it's going in an older car. They feature MSD built distributors. I mean, no cheap stuff in this thing. Fully rollarized stainless rocker arms, one-piece push rods. We put our own dual valve springs on this thing. It's one awesome piece, hydraulic roller camshaft that we custom designed, ground up for us by Competition Cams. Awesome engines, and unbelievable torque and horsepower for the money. Check it out on the website. If you want to talk to Steve directly, give him a call at 800-267-3940, or check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited. I mean, if you're not looking for a Ford, we can build you any domestic V8 engine from the 60s all the way up to our newer LS series Chevrolets, which are absolutely awesome. Every time we build a new one, we learn more and more about them, and they're making absolutely awesome torque and horsepower. Check us out. Everybody have a good day out there.